everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So in this video I will share with you a new earning project. From this project you can get a very big profit in future. It's a very unique coin and it's give you a very big profit in future. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notification. As you can see, the project was showing on screen. The name of this project was King Souls Royal Domain. So its project was basically developed on the basis of royalty means a kingdom and wisdom of freedom and many more things you can see in this project. As you can see, enter my kingdom with honor and pride, and this project give you a very big profit. So must read the background and detail of this project, then participate in it and get a big profit. So first of all you can see rise my royal knights, and you can see the detail. As you can see, it was showing on screen. So it's tell about the boundaries of kingdom and tell about how royal king work on the kingdom and how it defend their sovereignty and many more things you can see in this project. So must read the detail to get concept of this project, how it's developed, and the basis of this project was also available. So the royal king knights bound by loyalty and honor, and the story of this project was showing on screen. So must read it and then participate in it. As you can see now, the roadmap of this project, it's a very important thing for you to know the thing which was developed in this project and how much thing you can see in future. So must read these phases. It helps to know about the growth of the project and how much thing you can see in this project. So it's a very good opportunity for you, and it's and this project was very openly move on Soul network, and it's also available on Radium. You can simply go and then purchase it, and it's a very simple and easy method to buy. In future you can see 3D website, unique NFTs, weapons, armor, and many more things. As you know, it's the project was basing on a king system. As you can know, the king system have many weapons. Like old weapons, and it's give you a very unique vibe. So must participate in it, and you can see gameplay in this project, and it helps you earn more money from this project. So must read the detail, then you can see the tokenomics of this project. Total supply was showing on screen. War fund liquidity was available. Total trustability was available, and expansion funds marketing was available. Liquidity burn was 100%, as you can see. So these are the main thing about this project. Now can you can see the social media accounts and live chart of this project. As you can see, contract address was showing on screen. Must read it and get more information about the project. Hopefully you will know how project work and the basis of this project I will already share with you. Now I will share with you the live chart of this project. Sorry, this coin, and this coin how helps to get more profit to you. So I will tell you now. As you can see, the social media account of this project must follow for latest updates and news. As you can see, the Twitter account of this project was available on screen, and the link of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then follow it now to get more information about future, and these posts helps to know about how much thing was upcoming in this project. So must participate in it and must follow the social media account. Now I will share with you the Telegram community. Must join it to get many more information about this project. So friend, now you can see the live chart of this project, and current price was also showing on screen. King Soul was available, as you can see, and total distribution, hard cap, software, each and everything was showing on screen. So must read it and then participate in it. As you can see, totally detail was available on dex scanner. I will share with you. So now you can see buying, selling, and each and everything was available. So must participate in it, and it's give you a very big profit. It's a good time and a good opportunity for you to be the member of this project. So hopefully you will know each and everything about this project, how it's work, and how this project gives you a profit. Must read the detail and then be the member of this project. So hopefully you will like this video. If you like this video so much, subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notifications. So friend, hope we will be meet in next video.